Welcome to Pentagon 2000's presentation of Lot Manager module. The Lot Manager module is primarily used to track the inventory, costs, and profitability of assemblies which are torn down and sold for parts. This module enables traceability of an unlimited number of purchased lots. Lot warehouses are virtual warehouses into which stock can be placed in order to track separately purchased lots. Purchased lot inventory may be stocked in multiple physical warehouse locations, but associated with a single virtual lot warehouse. A lot warehouse is created just as any other warehouse, except the type of warehouse is identified as lot. Once a lot warehouse is created, parts may be received or transferred to that warehouse and then issued to work orders or picked for sales orders. Parts placed into a physical warehouse from a teardown work order may also be placed in the appropriate virtual warehouse. While lot warehouses are visible in the warehouse list, Lot Manager settings must be accessed through the Lot Manager. The search window will only display warehouses having the type identified as lot. The warehouse will be identified as a lot warehouse, and a Setup tab will appear. The Setup tab contains settings for and displays information about the lot warehouse. The date that the lot was received may be identified. A separate warehouse may be identified as the default warehouse in which to place stock returned on an RMA. The total quantity of parts may be identified. When parts are placed into the warehouse, or at any time after the part is placed in the warehouse, you may assign a cost per line item. If a part is sent out for servicing or repair, the cost of the item in the warehouse will increase accordingly. In order to track the costs associated with and profitability of the teardown and parts sale, you may identify how the cost of each part is calculated. If you would like to show the cost as simply the cost that is recorded in the warehouse, select the Cost from Warehouse checkbox. Otherwise, you may use one of the standard formulas. Option 1 does not consider the warehouse cost. Options 2 through 8 include the warehouse cost in the calculation in some way. All of the standard formulas use a percent of sales price in the calculation, so if you are using a standard formula, you will need to identify the percent of sales price that you would like to use in the calculation. If you are simply using the cost from the warehouse, an Ignore Lot Expensed Cost checkbox will appear. This box should only be checked if you would like to continue to show a cost for parts issued or sold from this lot after the total lot cost has been expensed. In addition to the lot purchase cost that is entered manually when the lot warehouse is created, the total lot cost may be adjusted in two ways from the Lot Manager module. First, miscellaneous invoices created within the system may be applied to the lot cost. Miscellaneous invoices may be added or deleted from this list. Secondly, a manual lot adjustment may be created using the Lot Cost Update option. If the MultiCurrency module is being utilized, you may identify the currency and the date to be used for currency conversion. Information is provided about the sales of parts from this warehouse, including total sales, expended cost, and profit. Lot value information is also displayed. Each line in a work order or pick ticket may be picked from different lot warehouses if required. Some lines may be picked from stock, while other lines on the same document are picked from lot warehouses. The system will automatically calculate costs based upon the method identified in the lot warehouse for each line. The module also adds the availability of lot-specific reports.